Dreaming of starting your own business but worried about the budget? Well, you're in luck. In 2025, there are more opportunities than ever to launch a profitable business with little upfront investment. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a 9-to-5 worker looking for a side hustle, we've got you covered. Today, we're revealing the top 20 best business ideas to start on a low budget in 2025. Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss these game-changing opportunities. 20. Print-on-Demand store. No inventory needed. Sell custom-designed t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases through platforms like Printful or Teespring. Just create designs, list them online, and let the supplier handle printing and shipping. Use free tools like Canva for designs and promote on social media. Best part? You only pay when a customer orders. 19. Freelance writing or copywriting. If you have a way with words, businesses will pay you to write blogs, ads, or website content. Start on Fiverr, Upwork, or even cold pitch clients directly. Specialize in niches like tech, health, or finance to charge higher rates. Build a portfolio with free samples and use LinkedIn to network with potential clients. 18. Virtual assistant, VA. Busy entrepreneurs need help with emails, scheduling, and admin tasks. Offer your organizational skills remotely. No experience? No problem. Many free courses can get you started. Services can include managing calendars, handling customer inquiries, or even social media tasks. Charge hourly or monthly for steady income. 17. Social media management. Businesses need help growing their Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. If you understand algorithms and trends, you can charge clients to manage their accounts. Offer packages that include content creation, posting schedules, and engagement strategies. Tools like Later or Buffer can help automate posts. 16. Online tutoring or coaching. Good at math, languages, or fitness? Teach via Zoom or create pre-recorded courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Market your services on local Facebook groups or tutor-specific platforms like Wyzant. Offer free trial sessions to attract students. 15. Dropshipping. Sell products online without holding inventory. Use Shopify and AliExpress to source products. Just market well and let suppliers ship orders. Focus on trending niches like eco-friendly products or tech gadgets. Use Facebook ads or influencer marketing to drive traffic to your store. 14. Affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products and earn commissions. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or social media page to share affiliate links. Join programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. Create honest reviews and tutorials to build trust with your audience. 13. Digital product creation. Ebooks, templates, or planners sell endlessly once created. Use Canva to design and sell on Etsy or Gumroad. For example, create a budget planner or resume template. Promote on Pinterest and Instagram for passive income. 12. Local lead generation. Help small businesses get customers by creating simple websites or Google My Business listings. Charge monthly for your services. Learn basic SEO to rank their sites higher. Cold call or email local businesses to offer your services. 11. Pet sitting, dog walking. Animal lovers can earn by offering pet care services. Advertise locally or on apps like Rover. Offer additional services like pet grooming or photo updates for owners. Build trust with repeat clients and ask for referrals. 10. Home cleaning or organizing. Busy professionals pay for cleaning and decluttering. Start with just basic supplies and Facebook ads. Offer deep cleaning, move-in, move-out services, or KonMari-style organizing. Upsell add-ons like fridge cleaning or laundry services. 9. Reselling thrifted items. Buy undervalued items from thrift stores or garage sales, then flip them on eBay, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace. Look for branded clothing, vintage items, or collectibles. Use good lighting and descriptions to attract buyers. 8. Podcast or YouTube channel. Monetize your passion by creating content. Once you build an audience, earn through ads, sponsorships, and merch. Choose a niche like true crime, personal finance, or DIY. Consistency is key. Post weekly and engage with your audience. 7. Mobile car detailing. Offer car cleaning services at clients' homes. Low startup cost, just some cleaning products and marketing. Charge premium for interior detailing or ceramic coatings. Use Instagram to showcase before and after photos. 6. AI-powered services. Use AI tools to offer resume writing, graphic design, or video editing at a fraction of traditional costs. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Synthesia can help you deliver high-quality work fast. Target small businesses or freelancers who need affordable services. 5. Subscription box service. Curate niche-themed boxes, e.g. snacks, books, self-care, and ship them monthly. Start small with local vendors. Use a platform like Cratejoy to manage subscriptions. Market through unboxing videos on TikTok. 4. Personal chef or meal prep. Health-conscious people pay for ready-made meals. Cook from home and deliver weekly meal plans. Offer keto, vegan, or kid-friendly options. Advertise in local gyms or parenting groups. Ensure proper food safety certifications if required. 3. Eco-friendly products. Sell reusable straws, bamboo toothbrushes, or upcycled fashion. Sustainability is booming. Source products from Alibaba or local artisans. Highlight your eco-friendly mission to attract conscious consumers. 2. Online event planning. Virtual weddings, webinars, and workshops need organizers. Coordinate logistics remotely. Offer packages that include tech support, invitations, and speaker coordination. Use tools like Eventbrite or Zoom to streamline the process. 1. Niche blogging plus ad revenue. Pick a passion, travel, finance, minimalism, write SEO-optimized content, and earn through ads, Google AdSense, and affiliates. Use Pinterest and SEO tools like Key Search to drive traffic. Monetize with sponsored posts once you have a loyal audience. There you have it. 20 low-budget business ideas to crush 2025. Which one excites you the most? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more money-making tips. See you in the next video.